In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Outlook emails as attachments in New Email. This is a great way to preserve the original formatting, headers, and timestamps of a message when you need to escalate an issue, hand off a conversation, or provide a complete audit trail. I'll walk you through the process in Outlook on the web, and the flow is very similar in the new Outlook app. Start by opening Outlook in your browser and signing in to your account. Give the page a moment to load your inbox and folders. If you work with multiple mailboxes or aliases, make sure you're in the mailbox you want to send from before composing. Now create a new message. Click the new button near the top of your mailbox. If you see options for different item types, choose Mail. A compose panel will appear, usually on the right side of the screen. You'll use this window to build the message that will contain your attached emails. Before you add anything, arrange your view so you can see both the new message and your inbox at the same time. If the compose window is covering your mailbox, resize your browser or drag the divider so the inbox list stays visible. The goal is to keep the message you're composing open while also seeing the list of emails you plan to attach. With both areas visible, select the email or emails you want to include. You can click one message or hold Control or Command to pick several, or use Shift to select a range. Then click and drag your selection directly into the body of the new message. Release the mouse, and Outlook will add each one as an .eml attachment. You'll see them appear beneath the subject line and in the attachment strip. This preserves everything about the original messages, so recipients can open them and view full details. If drag and drop doesn't seem to work, make sure you're using a supported up-to-date browser and that you're dragging from the message list, not the reading pane. Finish your email as you normally would. Add recipients, write a clear subject, and include a short note explaining what's attached so the context is obvious. Double check that all the intended emails are listed as attachments and that you didn't include anything confidential by mistake. When everything looks good, click Send. That's it, you've successfully sent Outlook emails as attachments inside a new message, keeping the originals intact and easy for others to review.